Welcome to the Thumbnail Guide YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. In today's video, we'll be creating a thumbnail like MrBeast. To create a thumbnail like MrBeast, you only need 3 things. 1, an amazing concept with a very large number. 2, a picture of MrBeast. And 3, an amazing graphic or image that drives that concept home. The concept that I chose for today's video is MrBeast feeds 1 million people in Africa. Let's go. The image that I'll be using in today's design, I generated with Leonardo AI using this text prompt. Alright, to get started, we're going to go to Create a Design, then search YouTube thumbnail. Then we're going to go over to Projects, the Folders tab, and scroll down to the MrBeast folder that I created. So we're going to add this image to this page, and we're going to add this image to this page. Now I'm going to resize this image, which I generated in Leonardo AI, so it fits the whole page. Now I'm going to take this thumbnail that I got from one of MrBeast's previous videos, and I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to erase this rich guy from the image, so I'll resize this brush to erase this guy. Now I press split the image. Then I'll add the image of MrBeast. Whoa, I don't know what happened. I'll add this picture of MrBeast and the rich guy. And I'll go back to edit image, erase him again. Rich people just don't want to go away. Ready? Now I'll go to filters and go down to fresco to give MrBeast a tan. And this is the final results. Then you have it a MrBeast thumbnail. Have you found this video valuable? Like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a thanks thumbnail guide down in the comment section.